Hi guys, welcome back to this amazing YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. So if it is your first time coming across this channel, do wait to subscribe. Click on notification bell to get notified whenever a new video is being posted. So in today's video, hope we all know that cutting a pregnant woman's clothes is different with our normal cutting of um other clothes. Hope you all know, because when you're cutting padded for a pregnant woman, the half length won't get to the half length, which is maybe size 16, or where the half length stops will be at the under bust. The half length of the woman will be at the under bust. So in today's video, we're going to be seeing how to cut a gathered dress for a pregnant woman. So I'll be working with this lace and with this satin. I'll make my cuttings on the satin before I transfer it to the lace. So I have to insert my shoulder measurement at this point, and it's a princess that, yeah. So I inserted my shoulder measurement, and then I'm going down by 9 inches for my armhole measurement. I'm trying to set it a way that you'll be able to understand and see what I am doing. So that's my armhole measurement. The next thing I'll be doing now is to take down my bust point measurement. I think her bust point measurement should be 11, between 10 and 11 thereabouts. So okay, so this is the her under bust measurement is 14 or 15, then while her half length is 17, but we're not going down to that 17. So our under bust measurement is 14, so I came down by 1 inch, which is 15 for my sewing allowance to get. So now I will insert my bust point measurement from your shoulder to your breast point to your nipple is your bust point measurement, which is it's 11, but I made it 11 and a half. Then her under bust, is 14. So I have to make my dotted lines to where I want it to stop at the moment. So here is my nipple to nipple measurement. Her nipple to nipple measurement is 8, so I marked 4.5 inch. Hope you guys know that nipple to nipple measurement varies in size, in shapes. Hope you guys know. It's not There's no standard formula for nipple to nipple measurements. In case you're big or busty or some certain, there's no standard measurement for it. So this me trying to get my princess dart cutting where I want to start my slash. So you can do yours. You can go down by 2 inches, 3, 4, depends on how you want it or where you want to start it from. But I think I went down there by 4, right, or 5 thereabout. So this is my bust point. Hope you guys remember. So now I'll come in here at that center inner part by 1.5. Then by this outer part, I came in by 1 inch. Can you see how I marked this? I have a princess dart bustier cotton. I also have it in straight dart bustier, but I usually post this often because I know how difficult it is for you to learn a bustier. It's not that easy to learn. After the cutting and the sewing is not that easy. That's why I do post it often. At this point, I'm inserting my bust to bust measurement. I inserted my bust to bust measurement divided into 4 with my additional um 3 inches allowance. Why I made it 3 is because of the sewing there. Then here is my waist, her under bust measurement, not her waist measurement anymore, her under bust measurement. Remember, we're making this cloth for a pregnant woman. So here, this I think 2.5 inches we are taking out from this place. We're going to put it back. We're going to replace it back. Then I will add my extra sewing allowance to it, because we just remove 2.5. We'll replace it back then with our sewing allowance. So that's the essence of the addition. So at this point, I came out by to extend my bustier, this part. I came out by 1 inch. You can come out by 1.5, or 2. I think higher should be 2. I think I came out by 1.5. Then I extended my line just the way you see me doing. Then I have to bring it down to my armhole area. The essence of this is, after sewing, if you do not extend this after sewing, you will notice that the half length is shorter. It's shortened by half or 1 inch. It won't be that. If the center part, the mid front, will be longer than the both sides, because it's shorter. It didn't get to the sides shortened from the actual measurement. So that's the essence of adding that 1.5 inch at that point, so that it will be equal. It is better the sides are even longer, so that you adjust it at the end of the whole thing, than for it to be short. It makes your half length kind of reduced, which is not that normal. It's not normal at all. So this is me inserting my neck measurements, my width, and then the depth of my neck, which is 5. I think the width there is 3.5. I measured. So I just have to curve it like this, kind of scope. So these are my markings to it. The next thing I'll do right now is to um cut it out. So this is it after cutting it out. Next thing I'll be doing is just to place it on my lace to cut it out. To cut out the parts needed. This parts needed for my work. So I'll just place it on my lace to cut it out. I would advise you to make a video. I would advise you to make your own dress with using this illustration as you're seeing it. Try to make something like this. It enables you to learn faster. It enables you to learn faster. So whatever you watch, try and do the practical of it. Watching the video, do the practical and let's see your results to know if you are really improving, if this is helpful, if you are really learning from it. And if there's any question, like if you're confused in any way, you can as well ask me and I'll reach out to you too. And I'll answer, I'll make sure I answer the question. So at this point, I think I'll be ending this video here at the cutting, at just the cutting segment or the cutting part because of the length. I don't want the video to be that long. So I'll be having a part two. I'll be uploading a part two on how to sew it. So this is me taking my back measurement, the back part of this clothes. I just removed my 1.5 inch from my zipper, then placed my tape there to insert my measurement, my shoulder measurement, and my armhole measurement. So I'll take my underbust right there, divided into four with additional 2 inch sewing allowance. Then I'll take my waist measurement at the down parts of the gown. So after cutting the back part as well on this material, on this satin, I'll transfer the cotton to my lace material. At that back depth neck, I went down by 6 inch. I went down by 6 inches because she wants it to be a bit down for her. So if you have watched to this point and you've not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel and share it as well. Do subscribe and share it as well. And if there's any video you want me to make, you can let me know. Though I'm doing it kind of step by step so that I'm doing it as if I'm having a class with you guys, that is step by step, so that after crossing this stage, you get to the next stage after, step by step, where it won't be that confusing and tiring for you to keep up with. So, but if there's any video you want me to make, you can as well, you know, reach out and I'll do it. And as for my corset video, anticipate it. I'll be doing it soon. Whenever I want to make a corset video, I do forget. After sewing, after cutting and sewing, I will now remember that I'm supposed to film this. So hey, I'm supposed to film this. But I promise I'll be making a corset video soon, very soon, very very soon, because I have some corset work to do. So I'll be filming one of those works. So this is it. We're cutting the back part of this dress. We're cutting the back part. One thing you should know about sewing is that it's not easy. It's not everybody that's called into this ministry of sewing. So if you see that it's not what you can do, just go and look for what you're called for, so that you thrive in that area. Don't just go into sewing because everybody's going there, everybody's making money out of it. No. Ask God first. Is this your will for me? Is this what you really want me to do? If it's not what He wants you to do, you can look for something else and do, and you still thrive in that area. You get. So all this long talk while they talk now. We are about coming to the end of this video. I have about how many seconds left? So thank you guys for watching. Try to share my video with your friends. Try to share my video with your friends, your loved ones. Someone might be interested in this video if you don't share it, and try to like it as well. It enables people to see this channel. Please, we're still growing. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not, do not forget. No, let me speak. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? All right, bye, guys. Have a nice week ahead of you. Love you guys.